Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea. If you're wondering why my voice sounds like this, it's because I just woke up. I'm gonna show you guys my makeup routine today. Always start with skincare. The first thing I'm using is this Kirkland's face towelettes. This is my favorite wipe. I will sometimes wash my face with the Cetaphil cleanser, but my face is really dry right now, so I'm trying to only wash it once a day, and so in the morning I wipe with this. Okay, next for the actual skincare, I start with the Dior Dream Skin. I've been using this forever, and then the Chanel La Solution 10 de Chanel. I mix them, and I won't lie, the Chanel moisturizer is okay, but the Dior Dream Skin is amazing. I've been using it forever. Then of course, we always use sunscreen. So I mix my sunscreen with the Bronzy drops. Everyone's been using them. I started using them in 8th grade, and then they all went out of stock. I was like, bruh, I've been using this, and now it's gone when it went viral. So anyways, I mixed that with this Chanel sunscreen. It's a anti-pollutant, so it just protects my skin from the bacteria, especially in the New York air, and prevents acne because the bacteria can't get in my pores. Skin is prepped. Now it's time for the actual makeup. The first thing that I do is, actually today I'm gonna put lip balm on. A lot of times I'll put lip balm on so that when I get to the lip step, I can use lipstick if I want. I'm not today because it's only it's just a Monday and I don't have school. We're going casual today, but still want to moisturize the lips. Then I just got this yesterday, the Chanel concealer, Le Caractère de Chanel. Sorry, I'm not French. I'm not gonna say that right, but I use the shade B20. I used to use the Fenty concealer, but it would make me break out. I don't know if you can see, right here, here, and here. That's what it would do to me the whole time I was using it, and I didn't want to waste it, so I finished the bottle, but I would keep getting acne just like this, where it's I don't even know what you call this acne, but I don't get acne ever. It definitely was telling me something. And that's another thing, once I get acne, I don't put concealer on it because I want it to heal. So today I'm just putting it under my eyes. Chanel makeup, something I've noticed about it is usually about $10 more than something you would find at Sephora, but it just sits so nicely on the skin, and they always use anti-aging ingredients in it, which is always good, especially because I'm 20, so I need to start thinking about those types of things, which is kind of scary. But I just use my finger for a lot of this because the warmth of your hands will make the product melt into your skin instead of just sit on your skin. It doesn't look as cakey, I find. Oh my god, I really like that. Pretty. Okay. Next, I am using the Dior bronzer. I use shade 5 warm bronze. I am obsessed with this bronzer. For some reason, I think everyone's gatekeeping it because the ratings for it on Sephora are so low, and I waited so long to get it because it had such low ratings, but the packaging was so cute, so I was like, oh my god, no, I have to get it. So I got it, and it's actually the best bronzer I've ever used. The Benefit Hoola bronzer is not as good as this, I feel like. So I don't know why the ratings are so low. Oh, I also use the Dior brush that's side angled. You can see. This is a well-loved little palette. But yeah, I do 3 and E on my face. So I do right down my cheekbone and then around here and then up here. And then I blend it down onto my neck so that we don't have a straight line of bronze. And I love bronzer. I put a lot on. Because once you put the blush and the highlight on, it kind of just blends into your skin. And then I also do it, I put it on the side of my brush, and I put it here, here, and then in the middle of my nose and at the bottom of my nose. I saw, who was it? I think it might have been Gabriella Mora. She was like, today I want my nose to be more snatched, so I'm gonna do this. And I was like, oh. So I tried it and never went back. Okay, next, this is the Dior blush that I was talking about. The Rosy Glow blush in their shade 1 pink. And then I just used this brush from Target. I think my mom got it for me. It might be TJ Maxx, but I know they sell these at Target, the Real Techniques. And I get it on there good and then put it on my cheeks. It's such a cute little pink. It reminds me of Blair Waldorf because she always had super pink hued makeup from Gossip Girl. And then next, I put all my friends on this highlighter. It is so good. The Benefit Cookie highlighter. Bro, Gabby Mara uses it, and it's so good. And then I use this little brush. My mom got it for me. It's technically from QVC, that like TV shopping network. She loves that channel. And then I put it just like on my cheekbone and then like up and like right here. And sometimes I'll put it on my brow bone if I feel like it. And then I also put it on like the tip of my nose and then the bridge of my nose. But that little area that I put the bronzer like right here, I leave blank. See it? Well, the way the sun is annoying. But it's like so pretty. Now, we're literally almost done, guys. This mascara, I put my mom on. My mom and I have really, really sensitive eyes. This is a tubing mascara and it has like castor oil in it, so it makes your lashes longer, and anyways, like it's kind of like lash care as well as a mascara. And when you go to take it off, it like comes off in tubes. That's what a tubing mascara is, and I'm obsessed. It's the Thrive Cosmetics liquid lash extensions. You can literally only get it on their website, and we buy it like by the dozen or half dozen because A, my mom and I both use it and we don't want to run out, and B, that way we always have it on hand. See, it just makes your lashes like so long. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, obsessed. And then sometimes I love too this like trio from Too Faced. I used this in middle school and I recently was like, I kind of want to try it again. It's also really, really good. And then I use it with their lash primer. I love their lash primer so much. And then I also use their waterproof liquid liner. This is like my favorite liner. And then this, I'm honestly afraid to share because I don't want it to be sold out, but it's the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. And I just put that here to hold my brows in place. If you find me naked, I will still have brow gel on. I will not have unruly brows. Then I use the Fenty lip gloss. Set it all up with the Morphe setting spray. My camera's about to die, so I'm going mega fast now. Take the hair down. It's the... bruh. Okay. Hello. This is the finished look. It's very natural, very glowy, very rosy, and I do this every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I am going to be posting a lot more, very consistently too. I know I always say that, but like I mean it this time. Hold me accountable, please. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those. Follow me on Instagram. They're all going to be linked down below. So are the products that I used as well. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.